Hello traders, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to continue on the series on leveraged PropFirm. I am going to show you some of the features that I promised to show you in more detail. We'll look at the account types and then I will show you guys how I am going to trade my challenge account. Remember, I got a challenge account, but I have not yet started trading that account again. The first account that I got, I actually did breach that account because of some rules that I did not follow, right? I was actually in profit, but I forgot to set a stop loss on one trade, and then the trade reversed and hit my daily loss limit. So I just want to be open to you guys and tell you that account was breached and I got another account. So I'm going to start trading the next account, and I'm going to show you in a series of videos how I'll be able to pass that account. So stick around the video, give a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and comment down below with your questions. Also, if you choose to use leveraged, use the link in the description so that you can get a special discount using the coupon code that I am going to provide also in the description of the video. So guys, without wasting time, let's go onto the screen. Let me introduce to you leveraged PropFirm. Now here they do give three types of accounts, which is the turbo trade, they have the sprint challenge, and then they have the classic challenge. Let's first look at the turbo trade. The turbo trade is one that most of you guys have been asking me questions about, and this trade account type is very easy for you to get. It only costs $8.88 for you to get started. You only pay the rest of the amount once you have passed the challenge. You just get $8.88 and then you can get started with the account of your choice. Now we'll look at the account sizes that you can get in a moment, but these are the rules that you have to follow for the turbo challenge. You have to achieve a 6% profit target. You have a daily loss of 3%, a maximum drawdown of 6%. You have 80% profit split, and it is a one-step challenge. There is no time limit to pass it, but it is only a one-step challenge. You only pass this when you get 6% target, and then you get funded. Once you get funded, you have to maintain a daily loss limit of 3%. Don't lose more than 3%, and then don't lose a maximum of 6% on your total account balance, right? So you have to keep these rules in mind. Let's look at the pricing down here. So for a 100K account, it is $8.88. If you go to a 150K account, it is $8.88. If you want a 10K, it is $8.88. So it is the same price for all account sizes. So you can even start with a 150K account like this. You can start with that with the same amount, which is $8.88. Now you only pay $816 once you have passed and you are funded. Then you pay this $816 and then you can start trading your live account. That is the benefit of trading the turbo challenge. You can use the link in the description to get started directly with the turbo challenge. Also, the 100K, it costs the same amount of money, $8.88 to start, and you pay $540 only when you have passed. Now the beauty about this is that when you use the link that I'm leaving in the description to sign up and buy any of these accounts, you will also get a coupon code that will give you extra discount, guys, once you are trading with leverage. So make sure when you are signing up, use the link that I am providing and also the coupon code, which gives you an extra discount, right? If you look at the 50K, the 50K costs $340 to start. It is just $8.88. The 25K costs $180 after you have passed. Get started today with turbo challenge, and then you'll be on your way to getting funded, right? Remember guys, that when you're watching this, don't take any of the information I'm giving you as financial advice. It is me just introducing to you the same firm that I'm using and have seen really good value with it. Now the sprint program, it has these rules right here. This sprint program, you can get funded that same day if you achieve 2% profit. This sprint challenge has been really popular with many people who have actually been contacting me. Most of them have been buying this sprint challenge here, because with the sprint challenge, you get on your marks, you get a leveraged sprint account. You get set by hitting the 2% target. You just need to reach 2% target and then you get funded. Once you get funded and you get the profit target, you can actually, once you get the profit target and you get funded and you make profit on your account, you can actually request for the withdrawal that same day. That is how the sprint challenge works. So this sprint challenge is a fast-paced traders challenge, which means you can get funded that same day and then that same day you can get your payout. That is how good this sprint challenge is, right? You can also get the sprint challenge using the same link in the description of the video, and you can also get an extra discount once you use the link in the description and the coupon code that I'm providing down there. All right, so these are the sprint rules. The sprint rules: you get an account up to $25,000. You only have one phase to pass. The daily drawdown, however, is only 1%. So you must really look at this daily drawdown, because if you breach this daily drawdown, you lose the account. So what I advise is that you get this 1% right here, divide it 4 times. That is 0.25, 0.25. So risk 0.25 of the account every day, or a quarter of the account every day, and you'll be safe from this drawdown right here. Then the withdrawal is instant. Once you pass the challenge, you can withdraw instantly. You can start from $49. The max drawdown is 1%. You can trade the news, and then the profit target is only 2%. Once you reach 2%, you can then go on to getting funded, and then if you make profit, you can withdraw that profit that same day. So those are the rules for the sprint challenge. You can get started with the sprint challenge using those same rules. Now you can see the more detailed breakdown right here. Profit target 2%. When you get funded, there's no target. All right, the daily loss is 1%, max loss is 1%, minimum profitable days is 0. You don't have to achieve any profitable days to get funded, just need to achieve the 2% target. The payout split is 80%. No consistency score is in this challenge. The payout frequency is instant. Then after you get your instant payout, you can then start requesting your payouts after every 14 days, and then you can see there. This is the pricing for this sprint challenge right here. It is just a one phase challenge. You can get 100k for $439. You can get a 50k for just $239, a 25k for $119, a 10k for only $49. You can also get started by using the link in the description of the video, guys. Now let's look at the famous one, which is the classic challenges. Now with the classic one, this is the one I am actually trading, because this is the one that I'm used to, and this is the type of account that most of the traders know, right? This is the classic kind of challenge, right? But here it is named different. There is junior portfolio manager right here, and then there is senior portfolio manager, which I am trading, and then there's executive here, and then managing director is coming soon. So with the senior portfolio manager that I am trading, the account sizes range from 10k to 100k. With this, you get a one-on-one coaching sessions, which is not available in most of the prop firms. You get one-on-one coaching with experts who know how to trade prop firms. You get an advanced trading platform that you can choose. You can choose CTrader, MT5, or whatever you want to use for your trading. You get AI powered tools. You get a free ebook which is called The Art of PropFirm Trading. So this account has these rules down here. Let's go to the 50k, which I am actually trading, right? This is the price for the 50k. I would advise you to get this type of account, which is the classic account type. This account type here is more slow paced and gives you time to pass your challenge without having the pressure of the sprint account or the turbo challenge. If you want that slow paced trading, you can just go for the classic one. This one here is the same one that I am trading. So the profit target for this one is 5% for phase 1 and 8% for phase 2. So most prop firms start with 8%, then 5%, but for leveraged prop firm, they start with the easy one, which is the 5%, then you go to the 8% in phase 2. The daily drawdown is 5% and then 5% in phase 2 also. The minimum trading days is the same across all phases, and then you can hold overnight and over the weekend across all phases. You know, most prop firms are changing this rule here because they don't want swing traders. They want to avoid people from swing trading, because swing trading gives you more profitability in trading than scalping and day trading. That one is for sure. So if the prop firm doesn't have this hold overnight and over weekend, even on the funded stage here, just know that they are trying to limit you from making profit, and that is not something that is here on leverage. Leverage allows you to have that freedom. Okay, your commission is 80% once you get funded, and you get a payout every 2 weeks. Okay, and the time limit is unlimited. So you can get started with leveraged using this classic account type by clicking the link in the description and also using the coupon code that I'm providing in the description of the video, guys. You can start with that for only $349 for a 50K account. And if you are somebody who wants to really go big and you want to go for the maximum, maybe you can just go for the 1 million, which is $3,000 here. You get a 1 million account challenge, right? You can see for this one here, there's the simulated phase. There are 3 phases. If you go for the 1 million one, you can see the profit target here is 6%, then 8% for phase 2, and then phase 3 is 10%. You have to achieve 10%, and then you get funded with $1 million. This one here is when you are a very experienced trader and you know what you are actually doing. So I would not advise you to go for the million one if you don't want to go through 3 phases of trading. From 250K to a million, it has 3 phases. Use the link in the description, guys, and get started with any of these account types that you wish to attempt to go through, right? Now I'm going to show you my dashboard and we'll go through some few things there. Here you can see I have got a 50K account which is active right here, and I've not started trading on this account yet. You can see the metrics are empty pretty much, but I'm going to start giving you guys updates on this account once I start trading it, right? Another thing that you're going to get benefits trading with leveraged is the AI tools right here. These are the AI tools you get. You get technical analysis, whereby you'll get the analysis of experts right here on your tab, and you'll see some trade ideas populating right here. All this is because leverage wants to help you get knowledge to be able to pass your prop firm challenges. So you'll get some setups right here, as you can see, and then you will also get the news sentiment, where you'll be able to see the news and how it is affecting the traders. All right, you can see that most of the people, like for example, if you go to USD card, you see that there is a positive sentiment. 42 people have a positive sentiment for USD card, plus 42. Okay, you can see the sentiment here, and you'll be able to use this to help you with your technical analysis. They also have a risk calculator here, which you can use when you're trading to calculate your lot size, to calculate whatever you want to calculate before you enter a trade. This will help you manage your risk. Also, they have fundamental analysis right here, whereby you will be able to see what the fundamentals are saying before you can actually take trades. Here it shows you also the upcoming high impact economic releases. Like today, at the recording of this video, we have the ISM services PMI for the US, right? You can also go to performance statistics right here, where you will see the best performing setups at the moment. You can see here, you can see the performance metrics right here. So guys, go and take advantage of leverage today using the link in the description and sign up, get yourself an account and start trading. All right, you can even get like a small account of $10,000 or $25,000 and start practicing on that one. Instead of folding your hands, get started today so that you can see how you can progress. It's not a guarantee that you're going to pass on your first attempt, but if you attempt several times and you pass even just once, that one payout that you will get will be able to cover up for most of the losses that you have made. Also, what I wanted to show you here is the academy. They also have an academy here where you can go and look at the webinars, register and attend webinars. You can get access to courses and programs that can help you in your trading, and you'll also get market reviews and the traders library here. Okay, like here you can see you get the traders library here, where you'll be able to get access to all this. Remember guys, that as you're trading, manage your risk and make sure that you have a correct state of mind when you come into trading. Guys, don't want to make the video way too long, but guys, I want to see you guys engaging. Click the link in the description. Use the coupon code I'm providing there for you to get an extra discount. Sign up today with Leveraged so that you guys can go and get started on your journey to becoming funded trader this year. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.